In this video, we will see how we can full reset the factory reset of Notepad++. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, I open Notepad++. Once it is open, I see the font size is bigger and background is dark color. I want to reset everything. So what I need to do? We just need to close the Notepad++ first. So I'm going to click this close button. So it will be closed. Now we have to click start menu and then we have to type run. And very shortly run window will be there. Once we click here, it will be there. Now here we just need to type one command which is called appdata percentage Notepad++. So there is percentage then appdata percentage slash Notepad++. We just need to type it over there and then we have to press OK button. Once we press the OK button, it will bring this window. Here we have all the settings of Notepad++. What you need to do, we just need to select all and then we have to press this delete button. It will be deleted everything. Now we can close it. Now let's try to open Notepad++ again. Here I see Notepad++ is there. Just click over there. It will be opened. And now background color gone. Even the text right now is default state and everything reset. No plugin, nothing. And that's it. In this way, we can easily factory reset our Notepad++.